So in order to update the Animal Crossing New Leaf plugin to the newest beta, which is beta 4, I recommend joining my Discord server to download it. If you're already in the server, you can skip this part, but I'm going to show you how to join by clicking on the link in the description. So I'm going to do that. Click join. So once you're in the server, you can find the file for the update in plugin releases. It's going to be a zip file. You click on it right here. And it's going to download with your browser. And click open on it. And it opened with WinRAR, but you might have 7-zip or just the default zip file browser. So I'm going to connect my SD card. So what you do is click extract, and then to your SD card, and click yes to all if there's any existing files. And that's it. From now on, you don't really need to do this process as the plugin comes equipped with an updater, so it'll check for an update every time that you start the plugin, but this is useful info to know because not many people know how to update the plugin.